So we are often asked, like, what's the future of AI is, and feeling people threatened, like being replaced by AI. And to us at Sparkwise, actually, AI is here to help people focus on what they like to do in their job and get rid of those repetitive tasks that they don't really like.
Yeah, I mean, I've already seen working with some of the non-technical staff that have adopted AI at our firm, the amount of times that I've had to run tiny little Python analyses or something that I can definitely do, but is not the cutting edge fun work I like to do, has dropped dramatically since the adoption of ChatGPT. People are able to instantly answer the questions that they have without having to come to other expertise within the organization, and I can only see that going up from here, and where the primary time will be spent on high value work instead of high time work.